Welcome back to the channel for your daily crypto breakdown. If you're holding trading or just watching the chaos, you're in the right place. Smash that like, subscribe if you're new, and let's jump in. Let's start off with a quick market overview. Bitcoin is still hovering around $103,700. Meanwhile, Ethereum is at $2,600, but it broke yesterday the $2,600 mark. Solana also pumped very nicely and broke finally the $175 resistance level and is currently at around $100. And our best friend XRP is currently testing the breakout zone at $2.60. The price action is currently looking healthy across the board. Bitcoin holding around 103,000 shows strength. Ethereum breaking out is big, and both Solana and XRP are moving in sync with momentum. Now let's dive into today's top story. Goldman Sachs made headlines by investing $1.4 billion into BlackRock's spot Bitcoin ETF. This isn't just a bullish bet. It's one of the biggest traditional finance moves in crypto history. It signals deep institutional beliefs in Bitcoin's long-term value. BlackRock now holds billions in Bitcoin on behalf of institutions. That kind of size doesn't move in and out. This is long-term positioning and a massive signal for what's coming. This could drive other funds to follow suit. Ethereum has posted a massive 60% gain over the last 30 days, largely driven by optimism around Ethereum 2.0 upgrades, lower gas fees, and reawakening DeFi volume. Analysts believe $3,000 is in reach this week if momentum holds. My personal opinion is that Ethereum's strength is undeniable. This isn't just a hype pump, it's tied to fundamental improvement. And once Ethereum starts running, Altseason usually follows. This is also very bullish. XRP surged over 21% in the past week alone, reclaiming levels above $2.60. Traders are optimistic as Ripple nears potential resolution with the SEC and big wallets have been accumulating. I think if Ripple gets clarity from regulators, XRP could finally go parabolic. $3.50 is a real target if legal tailwinds flip bullish. Now listen to this. Bitcoin's illiquid supply hits 14 million Bitcoin. That's about 74% of total circulating supply that is now considered illiquid. These coins are held in wallets with no history of frequent selling, according to Glassnode. That's a bullish metric as it reduces available sell pressure. This sets the stage for a future supply shock. If demand increases, price action could get vertical quickly. Yesterday, over $1 billion worth of Bitcoin was withdrawn from Coinbase. This is usually very bullish, the largest one-day outflow this year. Analysts believe these coins were moved to cold wallets by institutions or large funds. You see, smart money doesn't leave coins on exchanges unless they're long-term positioning. That tells you everything you need to know. Always keep your coins in a cold wallet, because if your coins are on an exchange, they are not your coins. The Standard Chartered has formed a strategic alliance with Falcon X, a crypto brokerage platform. The goal: build stronger rails for institutional onboarding and execution. This kind of bank-broker partnership creates infrastructure. It's not retail hype, it's how serious players enter the space. This is also very bullish for altcoin holders. We are seeing a falling USDT dominance and an altcoin surge. The Bitcoin dominance is also dropping down from 65% to 63%. Not only that, Tether dominance is dropping as well, while altcoins across layer 1s and layer 2s and meme coins are surging. Historically, this is a precursor to explosive alt rallies. To be honest, this is textbook rotation. Bitcoin leads, Ethereum follows, then capital flows into altcoins. We are right in the middle of that move. Yo, listen up. If you're a Picoin holder, this is very bullish. Picoin nears $1 ahead of a big announcement. Currently, Picoin surged over 17% and is now trading at 74 cents amid rumors of a Binance listing or a development fund launch. The Pi network is teasing a major reveal, which could fuel more upside. The price action is pure speculation right now. If the announcement delivers, $1 is possible. If not, expect a sell-off. In Q1 2025, we saw $6 billion in VC inflows into crypto projects, up from $2.6 billion. But deal count dropped by 40%, signaling more cautious, high-conviction investors. VCs are still bullish but smarter. They are done throwing money at vaporware. Good sign for serious founders and long-term stability. The US and China announced a 90-day truce, slashing tariffs to 10% and easing macro pressure. Markets across stocks, forex, and crypto rallied on the news. And I think it will continue like this. Less global tension means more confidence in risk assets. Crypto always loves calm macro conditions. Now, CPI data is incoming this week. A soft inflation number will reinforce the bullish trend. A hot print could spook markets short term. Keep dry powder ready. CPI days can trigger big move, either fake outs or full send. But I'm still bullish and I think we will print hard. Alright chats, that's the full breakdown for today. Goldman apes in, Bitcoin drains of exchanges, and Altseason might already be underway. If this helped you, drop a like, subscribe to the channel and let me know in the comments what you are holding. Stay sharp and I'll catch you in tomorrow's rundown. Last but not least, do not forget to follow my free Telegram community. The link to it you can find in the description.